The mythical and grand legacy of the Mahapurna Kumbh Mela, a celebration of faith and salvation. The Mahapurna Kumbh Mela, held once in 144 years, is a magnificent confluence of faith, mythology, and celestial alignments. This sacred event has deep roots in the ancient Indian epic of the Samudra Manthan, the churning of the ocean by gods, devas, and demons, asuras, in their quest for Amrita, the nectar of immortality. According to the legend, as the pot of nectar passed among the celestial beings, drops spilled at 4 places: Prayagraj, Triveni Sangam of Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati, Ujjain, Haridwar, and Nashik. These locations became the sites of the Kumbh Mela, sanctified by the divine nectar. The celestial timeline and significance. The Kumbh Mela spans 12 days for the gods, equivalent to 12 years for humans, based on cosmic calculations. This cycle culminates in various iterations. Ardha Kumbh Mela, held every 6 years at Prayagraj and Haridwar. Purna Kumbh Mela, occurring every 12 years. Mahapurna Kumbh Mela, a celestial event held once in 144 years, marking 12 cycles of the Purna Kumbh Mela. The determination of the Kumbh Mela's location depends on the alignment of the Earth, Moon, and Jupiter. Jupiter's 11-year orbital cycle around the Sun plays a pivotal role, ensuring the event aligns with specific planetary configurations. The upcoming Mahapurna Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj. The Grand Mahapurna Kumbh Mela will commence on January 13, coinciding with Makar Sankranti, and conclude on Mahashivratri after 44 days. The event promises to witness over 45 crore devotees from across the globe, drawn to its promise of spiritual liberation and the cleansing of sins through a holy dip in the sacred rivers. Key highlights and attractions. Naga Sadhus and Aghori Babas, these mystical ascetics will be a major draw, alongside revered saints and sages from various spiritual traditions. Special arts. Dedicated bathing ghats for Naga Sadhus, saints, general devotees, VIPs, and VVIPs. Extensive infrastructure. An area spanning 10,000 acres has been designated for the event, declared a separate district named Kumbh Melapur. Facilities include a 100-bed hospital, multiple police stations, and 12 language information centers. Modern surveillance and safety. The Uttar Pradesh government has deployed thousands of police officers, CC cameras, drones, and underwater safety equipment. Hospitality and accessibility. Free prasad, tent accommodations, boating systems, and river cleaning machines have been arranged to ensure a seamless experience for devotees. The economic and spiritual impact. The Uttar Pradesh government has allocated thousands of crores to this monumental event. This investment not only enhances the spiritual ambience but also boosts local economies through tourism and related activities. The sanctity of the Mahapurna Kumbh Mela attracts international attention, solidifying its place as a global spiritual phenomenon. Myth and modernity converge. This Kumbh Mela exemplifies a harmonious blend of ancient traditions and contemporary organization. The Yogiji government's initiative to declare all Kumbh Melas as Mahakumbh Melas underscores the unity and inclusivity of Sanatan Dharma. The Mahapurna Kumbh Mela is not merely an event, it is a transcendental journey into the realms of divinity and enlightenment. As devotees gather at Prayagraj's sacred Triveni Sangam, they partake in a tradition that bridges the mortal and the celestial, reaffirming faith and hope in the timeless quest for salvation.